Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to begin with, the Australian dollar has relatively held in a bullish stance and actually has been quite successful in so far taking out the 79.10 level. What has contributed to the moves is firstly the upbeat retail sales from last week, which increased to 1.2%, tripling the early expectations, along with the building approvals also came out well above the projection at a jump of 11.7%, and along with the US dollar breaking down has helped the Australian dollar advance. Now, from the break of 79.10, I don't have any strong calls because I would like to see further evidence to support this rally. But it's too soon to actually come out and say that we're bearish, even though there is some divergence when the market makes a new high with the indicator and then the price rises and the actual indicator goes down. That is divergence. So this could be the starting of a bearish case, but I would like to see, as I said, further confirmation. Well, the euro dollar surges on Friday and taking out the level of 120.60.80. And now with support seen at 120.80 figure, the market does need to see further confirmation from the break to the upside, and also confirmation that the dollar index is now taken out 91 figure and exposes a target of 86 to the index. Before those calls can actually be confirmed, we do need to see confirmation, but we may not get it today purely for the fact that the US is actually on holiday for the next 24 hours as it takes a break for Martin Luther King Day. So we could see a slight consolidation to the pattern, with the support now seen at 121.75. Well, dollar yen hasn't made any significant moves to the downside, but it is challenging this level of 110.85. A strong break beneath there, and from the technical point, could see it today. Then this would expose further weakness to 109.65 before buying, and also the indicators are getting a little bit on the oversold side. So do be careful, we may get a rejection from 109.65. Well, the pound has rallied and actually taken out the level now, 135.95.05, and from the break has now put the next target of 137.45 in focus. Well, the pound has jumped very significantly on Friday, and as you can see from the break of 135.95.05 has put now the 137.45 in focus, with the uptrend coming in at 136.80. Could see further pressure to the upside, but like the euro and US, I still need confirmation to support this move of a bullish case. Therefore, we could see a slight weakness on the day to 136.80. The gold has reached my target of 1,334 and now looking towards 45. I do like to note that we are extremely overbought and could see a pullback to 130,332, with the base underneath now seen around 1,326. Overall, my bullish outlook could actually extend beyond 45, but first of all we need to get out of this overbought condition. Silver still capped by the $17.30 and could see a bit of profit taking today as the market may slip towards the target of $16.95, with the base still holding at $16.80. I do anticipate though a break above 30 could see a trigger to rally to $17.45 as stops are likely to be building above there. And to wrap up with oil, we are extremely overbought. Even though we are looking towards $66 as a target, I still expect to see a retreat very, very soon. The ADX is overheating, the stochastic is extremely overbought, like the RSI, so I do expect to see a pullback, with the immediate target coming in at $63.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great start to the new week.